Welcome to another video on Masterspec's eCert. In under 2 minutes, we are going to show you how to manually upload green certificates to your specification. This is particularly useful if the certificate you are uploading is not found in the list of certificate types. Let's begin. Start by going to your specification. Then click the eCerts Appendix tab. Click Upload. Select the green certificate you want to upload from your files. Please note 3 things as you are doing this. Number 1, that the documents uploaded must be a PDF file. Number 2, note down the document expiry date or valid until date. And number 3, note down the certificate number if provided. Once the document is added, select the work sections your green certification will apply to. You can select multiple relevant work sections from within the drop-down. Choose whether the certificate is only for the specification or if you want it to be available for your entire organization. Add the expiry date that you noted down. Then select the document type. Select Other if it's not on the list. Give your green certificate a title. Provide the certificate number. Then hit the Upload button. Now that you can see that we've successfully uploaded the document against the work section we selected, hit the magnifying glass icon to preview your green certificate. References to your uploaded document will now be found on your work section and the schedule of environmental documentation. And that is how you upload your eCert. Thank you for watching. Be sure to visit masterspec.co.nz for more information.